Hello.
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 Hey, welcome to Scott Tyndall's Home Shop. My name is Scott.
And my name is Tara.
There's Tara. And today, or this evening, we are going to try, for once and for all,
Fix that.
find out why my little hand pump here.
It's not working. It's like
No, it's working just fine.
It's like
It sticks. You push it in and it just locks down.
we don't know why, so that's why I figured out. Oh, I need to wash these when we get done.
Yeah.
Oh man, I hate it.
So I don't know if it's full of gunky grease. What the case may be, this rag right here won't go in your mama's washing machine. Not if we know what's good for her.
We know what's good. What knows good for you? I'll say I didn't know nothing about it.
Well, you realize you're on camera, correct?
Girl.
All right. So now, all right, we're gonna change camera mounts and get you down here where you can get a close look and get right on top of it. Where you?
Should we transport them? Like, I mean, some different mounts?
Yes. Ready? We're gonna transport you. It's only gonna take just a few seconds for y'all. It's gonna take a few minutes for us. So here you go. One, two, three. All right, we're back.
Wow, that was fast.
Yes, it was. What I'm thinking is that some of these rivets are too tight for one. So what I'm going to do is drive the rivet from the center, which will unfurl some of that lip that's rolled over. So I'm going to loosen them up just a little bit. Alright, see it pull it through? Trying to, now it's loose. But that's not what's got it.
And you got all that stuff all over it.
Well, I do see something.
Alright. What is it?
I see this piece right here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where that's supposed to go. Right here on the side right here.
Right there on the side.
This piece is bent.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that could be doing it. I don't know what that is. It looks almost like it's there to stop it from, here, this is a greasy rag. Just wipe it in here for right now.
Just clean the table.
Most people would just throw this thing away.
We want to keep it. I mean, we want to get to work.
I want to find out why it's not working.
It's hard to get another one like that, isn't it? Can you get another
Yeah,
one?
but I don't think that's what's causing it. Give me a pair of,
My strips.
yeah, that's not causing it. I don't even know what that's for. Well, I mean, why that's bent like that. Unless that's supposed to, no. That's not holding it because I just folded it in and it didn't pop it back out. It's hanging on the cylinder. Yeah, see, I'm having to pull it back out. Alright, so how does that go together is the question. So what we're going to do, where's the grinder?
Grinder. Oh, I'll put it up too.
Yeah,
So
get
we
it.
got the die grinder.
Yes.
Cut down.
And we'll have to put, we have some rivets, but they're aluminum. But I probably can put these back in, so we'll see. No. Yeah, well that might work. Let me try that. Yeah, turn this around so that doesn't, here. Wrap that up in something so that it doesn't get ground full of grease, full of grit. Turn my grinder upside down so I can. one thing we need to do, we need to take this in the vise, in the lathe, and true that face up because it's sitting there doing like this. Alright, let's see if we can get these pins out, pull that plunger out. Yeah, well, that answered that question.
What?
That's how that comes out. Alright. So now, all that holds that in there is this. Alright, so let's get this pin out.
Get that pin out.
Do what? Get the pin out?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a pretty good idea.
Yeah.
When I get the pin out.
Okay.
Alright. So we gotta keep all those pins because we're gonna have to put them back in and weld them back up.
Weld them?
Yeah. If they're steel, we'll weld them. All you gotta do is put them in there and tack them. Alright. So what we're trying to find out, first off, what that was for. I'll just cut that off. I don't even know what it's for.
Well, if you
Alright, this goes right here. Alright. First off, that's tight. God bless, that's awful tight. I mean, that's tight.
Tight.
Yeah. I mean, that's wedging tight. Alright, you know what? We're going to take you inside. We're going to the lathe. You want to transport them?
Transport them? Yeah.
Again?
Teleport.
It doesn't matter. Transport or teleport, same thing.
Okay.
We're going to snap our fingers.
Doesn't matter what. All
Ready?
right.
We're going to teleport y'all inside. Ready?
3.
No. Oh. 1, 2, 3. We're back. We're back. A little bit of delay in our
transporting. You didn't want to go through the system.
I didn't want to transport.
That's bad.
What we're going to do is we're just going to take this 400 grit sandpaper, turn on the lathe, I'm clear.
Clear. Yay. That's nice.
Turn it on.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out.
Don't turn it on. Uh-oh. No, that's the nut on the back. Does that.
It does that sometimes, you know.
Now let's take it out.
What is this for? Again?
Bump things straight. You're laying your hand all over the grease. Now let's see how this fits in there.
Oh yeah. Right.
Nope.
Still dragging?
Big time. We're just gonna polish it down. Turn it on.
Bring it on. Now what?
Oh.
Oh.
Our camera battery died, and we didn't get the footage of the finishing up, polishing on the lathe. Well, that's all we were doing, was polishing on the lathe. So right now, we're looking for something in the shop, and I am. Are you cold, child? You're hot. Then why are you shivering?
Because I'm cold.
Well, I just asked you if you were cold, and you said no, I'm hot.
Well, that's a silly question for a silly answer.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm blind. That don't mean anything.
No. It's cold.
Hey, here's a little piece of metal that would have worked right here.
Yeah.
There's no food in here, cat.
He wants to go inside.
Well, let him inside.
He's just inside.
Well, let him outside.
He does.
Alright. Oh my gosh. Red, blue. Where's all of our red? Anyway, finish telling about what happened. We ran out of
battery.
that stuff is rusting out here.
We finished shining up the piece we need to
We
shine
finished
up,
polishing it.
polishing it, and then we got to work. We just haven't put it back together yet. We just haven't put it back together.
Right now, and what else?
I don't know what else. That's all we
What else we do?
We faced off a piece for my grinder.
Come on. Come on. Open up the door, and what does he do? He takes off.
Because
Alright, where's the grease gun?
oh, come there.
Where?
Outside the house. I thought you got it.
No, outside in the house. What does that mean? What is outside in the house?
Okay, in the house. I already did it.
Silly girl. Tricks are for kids. Oh, we're out of grease. Well, this isn't that pan Nancy. We have lost, and I probably laid it somewhere. We have lost my brass caliper. Anyway, so we got the needle the plunger, rather. We got the plunger polished up for the grease gun that she's going to get. It was bad. I'm talking about real bad. And I bet you I don't have a small tube of grease to try it. I'm out of grease. Wintertime, I'm not using stuff. And so I don't have a whole bunch of grease. It all gets used up during the summer towards the winter. And I don't know where my damn calipers are. There ain't no telling what them. Got a whole tube of that valve grinding compound. That's shot. Well, might not be. But anyway. Tara? What I might do is, let me pull this back. We'll pull that back. Hey, Tara?
Got it?
No, you can look over here though. This is where some of the stuff was set that was cleaned off the table. Here's our drill bits, part tray.
Where's
Right here. I got to fill it. I'm gonna fill it with this tube.
Where's this food almost done?
Alright, that should be plenty. Oh, I gotta take the plunger out. There we go. I'll put it up there.
Let's see if it works, Daddy.
That's what we're fixing to do.
Should I push this thing in?
No. You don't have to push it in. Oh, you just have to push it over. Oh, you've already done it.
I did?
Yeah.
I don't know it. It works.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not jamming. Yes. Right now there's air in it.
Oh. I don't know where that thing could be.
Right now I'm seeing it getting maybe too cold for the grease to move. Right now it's pushing, you have to hold it down, let it push all the air out. Because if you don't,
We go clicky for a while.
well, you're waiting on the grease to go up through there. Come on.
3, 2, 1, we found it.
Come on, grease.
It's coming out. Look. Look at all the grease.
Alright, let's see if it's even going in. If it's filling up the head or not. If it's not filling up the head, it's not filling up the hole. No.
More air in it still?
Yeah, wait, lots of air. Alright, so we need to take out the Allen wrench that's in the top. Here, come look through your drawers again, just to make sure. Come on the other side of me, so I don't have to move. There we go. Watch. Alright, so you just take this plug out. Probably just loosen it. But yeah, that started moving. Oh, that's cold. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. I feel it wiggling. Hey, what about over there around the drill press? Maybe look under the drill press. I'm trying to get this little hole right here to open up to the...
No.
Over there on the gray shell. Hey. Alright, well that's pumped up into there. Let's see if now when I pump it, if she'll come out the end. The grease that was in it was red. This grease is brown. Now let's see what she does. Oh yeah. Alright, that's enough grease.
Waste.
Yeah, just, ooh, look at all the air that's in it. Still pumping it out. Alright, well it doesn't jam anymore. We have fixed it.
That was the problem.
You don't get it on you. Ew. I have no idea what happened to them calipers.
I don't know. Can you just buy some new ones?
Huh?
How about that $25 if you go to Walmart and buy some new ones?
$25.
Like that Aunt Sharon gave me?
Oh, Sharon give you something?
Yeah.
You gonna buy me some new calipers?
Uh-huh.
Are you trying to say you lost them?
No,
Maybe?
Sir. No, sir.
You not sure?
No, sir. I don't know. You don't know where they are, so.
No, babe, I don't need you buying me calipers.
If you could get
Alright, you want to end this video so we can get out of this cold? We could have done this in the house. But I wanted to see the nail gun working.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to look down in the links down below and go buy you a t-shirt. We got several new designs.
It'll be in the description below.
Yes, it'll be in the description below.
Goodbye t-shirt.
Oh yes, if you buy 2 t-shirts,
you get a free
slot scraper from Keith Benner. Keith Benner made it. I've acquired them.
We got them from the Barzy.
We got them from the Barzy Bash when we went to the Barzy Bash. And also another YouTuber said that he'll chip in more depending on how many
people want some.
I mean, yes, how many we got to give out. Buy 2 shirts, I'll give you a free peanut slot scraper with the 2018 Barzy Summer Bash inscribed on it.
Okay, good night, guys. See y'all next time.
Oh, wait a minute. There could be girls.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Girls and boys, babies.
Say good night, Tara.